Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Yulianti Abbas. I am 24 years old and I work in the village as a family planning cadre. My address is Desa Timbulon, Dusun Pokobo, Palai Barat, District Buol, Regensi, Central, Sulawesi. My hobby is singing. I want to be a teacher. I am Indonesia. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.